Hey, I'm Courtney Friel, and on today's Fox 411, we are going face-to-face with Tila Tequila. Although I hear you're Miss Tila now.
I am Miss Tila.
Why'd you rename yourself? And you've got a new look, blonde hair.
Yes, ma'am. I got it cut about 4 days ago.
Was that for the premiere of your new single, I Love My DJ?
No, I'm just really spontaneous. Just like all my tattoos, they're never planned out. I just go and I'm like, whatever. I get really bored with things really fast, so you know, I just did it and I love it. It's nice. It's a nice change, you know. You just feel different. As far as Tila Tequila, it's just a screen name that I used when I signed on MySpace. So it's been a while now, and now I just want to be Miss Tila. It's proper and age appropriate, because I don't want to be Tila Tequila forever. I don't even drink tequila. I'm really, really, really excited. Well, my song, I Love My DJ, comes out April 13th. I'm really excited about that. And I'm very excited about my celebrity gossip blog, TilaTequilaOMG.com, which will dethrone Perez Hilton's.
Does Perez Hilton know you're coming after him?
Oh, everybody knows. I dubbed him Piggy Perez. So now all my fans who write me, they're like, we can't wait till your site launches. You're going to beat Piggy Perez. My gossip blog is more about reader-friendly. It's more acknowledging that they're there, and I'm going to have a lot of contests for them to fly out to be a celebrity for a day, and I'm going to take them out to the infamous Robertson and get them with the paparazzi, have my, you know, just, it's going to be really fun, and there's going to be a lot of really interesting, exclusive things, deep, dark secrets about many celebrities that people don't know about that I know. But people who have messed with me, I will put them on blast, every single one of them. And it is going to be ugly.
Be afraid, celebrity.
Yes.
You heard it here first.
I do have a new reality show coming out. So.
Oh, yeah? Can you tell us about that?
Well, they figured I'm so somehow dramatic and crazy, just naturally, and controversial, that they just want to follow me around with a camera and just let me do whatever I want. Because my life is very, very, very interesting. The reality show will be based on Miss Tila becoming a mogul, and how do I do it, and my breakdowns, and like how do I get my financial stuff together to make this happen while I'm still trying to do my own thing and like going crazy. So it's just all gonna be, you know, coming together.
You made a lot of headlines recently because of the death of your fiance, Casey Johnson. Can you tell me a little bit about?
I really don't like to talk about that. I really don't. I find it really disrespectful, because that's personal, and that's something in my heart, so I don't really like to talk about that.
Even how you're coping?
No, I find that disrespectful. That's my personal business. So that's my wife, and she's passed away, so we need to not talk about her.
Do you want kids yourself?
Yeah, I was pregnant. So yeah, I was pregnant, and I'm planning to adopt, and I'm actually still in the process of adopting a child right now. And since, you know, like Angelina Jolie adopted from Vietnam, which is where I'm from, so I figured, you know what, I'm from Vietnam and I'm living in America, so I'm going to do the reverse and adopt a child, an American child. So I'm adopting a child from America, because people tend to forget that, hey, there's lots of children in America that need love too, so.
Miss Tila.
Yes.
So nice talking with you. Thanks for coming on our face-to-face. And everyone, thanks for clicking in to fox411.com. Have a great day.